Suppose I just want the garment to be visible. I don't want the avatar to be visible. So what I'll do, you can see here, show avatar option, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. So if you click on this, the avatar will be gone. If you click again, the avatar will come back. So what is the shortcut for this is Shift A. If you press Shift A, the avatar will be gone. Sometimes we just need the garment. At that time, you can just hide the avatar and use the garment. So when the avatar is hidden, it can still work the same way. Suppose if I on the simulation, the avatar is just not visible, that's it, but it's there. So now if I again press Shift A, the avatar will be visible.